All right, so we're going to make a little 16-page mini comic book here. And you start off by printing out these two sheets. And one of them I've already folded up, so that's the middle one. But here's the other sheet, and you can see this one includes the cover page over here, so we want to make sure that that gets out in front. Okay, we're going to start off by folding this thing in half. I think a teacher would call this a hamburger fold. We want to make sure that's pretty accurate there. Now you'll see there's a dotted line down the middle. You need to cut that, so we're going to cut right along that dotted line, just to the end. All right, next we're going to fold now the two flaps down that are created by that little cut. And I'm trying to line these up pretty carefully. This will make the whole book come together nicer in the end. And then I'll do my last fold here. All right, now it looks kind of like it's the right shape right now, but it's not finished because it's not really in book form yet. We've just made all the creases. So now what we're going to do is unfold this. And we're going to refold it the other way. So I think a teacher might call this a hot dog fold. Okay, now here's my cover over here. So when I turn it on its side, you can see there's that slit we cut. So we're going to push our fingers together here, and now you can kind of see where our pages are going to come from. All right, so there we go. Came together better that time. So now I'm going to do all the rest of my folds. And now all I have to do is insert my other page in the middle here. Now, as far as making it into a finished book, there's two things you could do. You can just use a rubber band here and open it up to the very middle and use the rubber band to close it together. Or if you want to, like I did on this one, you can do two staples. Just open it up to this middle page here and just staple it twice along the center. There you go.